This is the complementary revision appealed, which is neither an obligation, but yet I'm sorting you out. So if we take an example, looking at the financial economic reporting, the supply and demand letter of D.W Gann, if you look at the dates, we can look at January. We had like 2 dates. Between those 2 dates, if you understand what he was actually doing there, due to energy levels which were consolidated yet continuous within the vibratory effects that we had there, you will have a continuous flow, but yet there is that consolidation part of things, which is considerable when you work out your stuff and all of that. So you obviously can make a decision between the increments that you have also pertaining to the fact that you will have the price, considering time as well. So, but then again, it could be between 2 days. But there is a level of accuracy in this, 100% accuracy, when you understand this. And what's more indispensable is that when you do this, you can even go beyond what he was actually doing, because at that time there were no technology and stuff like that. So in it as far as intricate as he would do it, it's a different world as in such a manner that we could actually make things easier for us to actually comprehend some of this stuff. So there's your revisions. You have your increments. I've used somewhat of a 50 units increments factored within the price, which will enable you to see that you're close enough, because you don't have the time, or maybe you don't understand the time either. Also, the conversion that is actually indispensable in also factoring that within your time, so that you understand. The price is not as indispensable as actually the date and the time, because once you get the time, evidently, if you don't get that increment, then you already know that the time is last. So therefore, it is within your bounds to actually execute your price. You never get it wrong. You can never get it wrong. Even with the placement of the ninth, which was actually a continuous flow for the 11th, which was correct. Even though I gave in the ninth, I could have easily made it easier for everyone. So, but now we have the 11th, which the price actually went down. It will continue going into the 15th. Between the 15th and the energy levels, as I pointed out, it might just abruptly moving earlier or at the end of tomorrow, which is the 15th, and you'll have a continuous flow on the 16th, which is the actual date. It's the same thing because of that slightly consolidated process of the effects as well. So, but you're still accurate because you understand what time is telling you. Already what time is telling you, you can jump in on the 16th or the 15th. It still would put you in the right measure. And if it bypasses that time span, which is very, or you've noted, then it's likely that you know what to do in respect to where the price is evidently going to go. So when you have the 19th, and then you're going to go to the 29th as well. So you're left with 3 inversions that you need to capitalize for this month in particular, and that's it. So free money.